I am the founder and the CEO of Aquabotix. I started this company 6 years ago because of my passion for the water, my passion for technology, and also to make a difference. I have 20 years experience working for the U.S. Navy's Research and Development for Submarine Technology, and then I followed that with 10 years experience working at Fidelity as a Senior Vice President. So I was born on an island, the Azorian Islands, a set of Portuguese islands. And one of the things that you do is you head up with a love for the ocean, a love for the water. And in my many years of experience, both in technology and then working at Fidelity, one of the things that I noticed is that things to do with the ocean are usually laggards in terms of adoption of technology. And I knew that we could found a company and make a company that could change that whole domain. So the idea was to take things and accelerate the adoption of technology in the responsible use of that technology in the ocean to make a difference. Aquabotix is going to be the first publicly listed company in the underwater drone space. This is huge. This gives people an opportunity to get involved in this space and to ride this technology boom that we're going to see happen in the underwater world. We're seeing a lot of this type of similar technology occur above the land, such as in cars, where self-driving cars. We're starting to see the same thing happening in underwater space. We currently produce vehicles that can be person in the loop and you can drive and interact with, and also our vehicles, our hybrid vehicles, can also be autonomous and do a mission. We're one of two companies in the world today that produce a hybrid vehicle that can either be person in the loop or an autonomous vehicle. That gives us a tremendous amount of flexibility in terms of the platform. We have underwater drones throughout 45 countries in the world. We have about 350 vehicles in place today. Aquabotix drones are used for surveying the oceans, for monitoring the oceans, for measuring the oceans, for analyzing the oceans. We do everything from visual inspections to sonar inspections. We currently focus on a variety of markets, but our primary markets is the military, aquaculture, energy market, and security and law enforcement. Aquabotix currently produces 10 products on the full product lines. One of our product lines is underwater cameras, which you can think of as a security camera system underneath the water that's connected to the above water world. We also produce a recreational product that people can use on their boats to check their anchor or to check their cray pots or to just do exploration. We also produce a remotely operated vehicle underwater drone that is used for doing inspections, and we also produce a hybrid vehicle which can be an autonomous vehicle or could be a remotely operated drone. Aquabotix is very much focused on the growth of the company. One of the things that we will take with the use of the proceeds from the raise is to establish centers in South America, Europe, Asia Pacific. These will be distribution centers that provide support for the sales, for the marketing, as well as customer service and repairs for our products in those markets. So in addition to our sales and marketing effort, Aquabotix is going to be accelerating our research and development efforts to take our products and continue with innovation, bringing out new products, as well as moving just from the vehicle hardware space and getting into the application layers and getting into the cloud space. So the future of the underwater drone technology is in taking things that people have traditionally done with person in the loop and taking that and making it autonomous to do the missions autonomously. So we feel very strongly about taking the vehicle space and improving on that by providing the applications, the automation, and the cloud services on top of that. Retired Admiral Jay Cohens brings a tremendous amount of value to Aquabotix. He's currently a non-executive director. And his day job at one point, he drove nuclear submarines. He was also the U.S. Navy's Chief Technology Officer. And he's involved in many new companies that are in the tech industry that are specifically addressing the military and safety, marine safety issues. We have Peter James, who's the non-executive chairman of Aquabotix. He has over 30 years in the public sector. He is currently the chairman of Nearmap, the chairman of Quality Telecom, and the chairman of Drone Shield as well. Brendan Martin, who's our CFO, as well as an executive director of the company. Brendan brings in 15 years experience in the finance world. He was previously the GM of strategy for Broad Spectrum.